Today's mission, fix that bent jack. I don't like that. Joe, you say, how did you bend the tongue or the jack on your trailer like that? It was Godzilla. No, actually, dumbass. Had a Corvette on the trailer. In order to get it off without tearing it up, I had to pick up the front of the trailer, roll the vat off. I went to move the trailer up just a little bit. Forgot I had the jack down. What a dumbass, huh? All right, hang on here a minute. Not yet. Yeah, just in case you ever wonder what could go wrong around here. Huh. How about them apples? Alright, I'll bring you back here in a few minutes. Boring stuff. More boring stuff. Alright, we got that cleaned up. I think I did get a little deeper in there than what I want, so I think I'm going to run me a bead there, polish that up real quick. The new jack. Going to do just what I need it to do. I'm thinking this one cranks up a little bit higher than the old one did, which will be good. And then I need to decide what I'm going to do with that foot. So, give me a minute here, we'll come back. I don't know how many of you are of the age where you're wearing bifocals or whatever, but if you get these little magnifying lenses for your welding helmet, they are the cat's ass. I'm here to tell you. Pop that in there, man, you can see like you were 16 again. Well, ish. Right, that's welded back in. Polish that up. Clean up the new jack. I got lucky. The local farm store had 2,000-pound jacks on sale for what, $14, $15-ish. And somehow or another, somebody didn't pay attention to what they were doing and mixed 5,000-pound jacks in with them. So, yeah, that. All right. There's that welded in. You can see, maybe you can see, where before it was just kind of tacked down there. I'm not sure I like that. I'm kind of thinking maybe I might find me a piece of strapping, wrap around it, and weld both sides. So I'll bring you back here in a minute. Power! Boom, boom, boom. It's still just a little too long. Just a little. Oh, I like it. All right. I like it. He likes it. He likes it. November, end of November, north central Indiana, west central something, and I'm in shirt sleeves. I like it. Alrighty then. Happy, happy. There we go. Cool. I like it. Hang loose a minute. All right, man. Oh, shit. Come over here. There we go. All right. So, little black paint. That's good to go. We're going to drag her out. We're going to call this one done. The head coming off the hammer thing, that's never a good scene. I don't know what I'm going to do here. Trying to find a new handle or what. This was actually my grandfather's hammer. And I thoroughly enjoy using the tools that like my ancestors and stuff used. It just kind of makes me feel like I'm still a little bit connected to most of them. So, I don't know. I may put this back together and just hang this on the wall and retire it, or that handle's spent. It'd be foolish to put it back together. But I may see if I can get a new handle and keep using the hammerhead. I've had this hammer for 40 years. It's been through 5 handles and 4 heads. Think about that one. I thought I'd try something a little different today. Actually kind of show me doing bits. I don't know. Let me know what you think. And if you like it, I'll try and keep doing it a little more. If you don't think so, then well, I don't know. We'll try something different. Once I get this out and put up, then I'll go out and show you the tailgate. Yesterday was kind of a get it done kind of day. My furnace went out on Thanksgiving. You know, every homeowner's dream is, you know, something major quits on on a holiday. So yesterday, you know, today's Saturday, I had to get up and go get parts and get it fixed. So yesterday was kind of a get things done, try and get the projects I wanted done, try and get what I needed to get done. So I really wasn't even thinking about trying to video it. But I will take you out. There's a lot of dirt in the paint, but I think other than that, it turned out good. I've always worked in like real small garages my whole life until I moved out here. And they were pretty easy to get vented out and keep some pretty clean air moving. The bigger shop, I'm kind of finding that a little bit more of a challenge. I need to figure out how I want to go about doing it. But yeah, that. So let me get this put up. I'll actually walk you out. I got it sitting out in the sun, kind of letting it cure it. I cannot believe that it's like almost 60 degrees today. It was 27 degrees this morning, Fahrenheit. I don't know how that figures out in Celsius, but Fahrenheit. But, and it's almost 60 now. That's crazy. All right, dudes. Let me move things around. We'll be back.